Your brain has a default setting. For most people, that setting is anxious, distracted, stuck. This is not science fiction. It's science fact. It is called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself. And the fastest way to direct that process? A specific form of focused attention that I call neuro-hypnosis. Forget everything you have seen in the movies. This is about taking control. Today, I'm giving you 3 science-backed neurohypnosis techniques to start rewiring your brain for success right now. Technique number 1. The future self-anchor. First, we need to give your brain a target. If you do not know where you're going, you will end up somewhere else. Here's what I want you to do. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the version of you 1 year from today, who has already achieved your biggest goal. What are you seeing? What are you hearing? And most importantly, what do you feel? Confidence? Pride? Ease? Now, as you hold that powerful feeling, squeeze your thumb and forefinger together. Squeeze. Hold it. This is called an anchor. You are physically linking that emotional state of success to this simple physical gesture. Do this for 30 seconds. Feel it fully and anchor it. From this moment forward, whenever you need to access the state of confidence and certainty, you press that anchor. You are not hoping for success. You are calling it up on demand. That is the power of the future self-anchor. Technique number 2. The mental rehearsal loop. Top performers do not just practice physically, they practice mentally. And neurohypnosis makes this extraordinarily powerful. Here is the technique. With your eyes closed, I want you to watch a movie of yourself performing a key task flawlessly. It could be a sales call, a difficult conversation, a presentation, a project. Watch it from beginning to end. See yourself confident, articulate, and fully in control. Now rewind it and watch it again and again. You are carving a new neural pathway with every repetition. Here's the science behind this. Your brain does not know the difference between a real memory and a vividly imagined one. Stanford neuroscientist Dr. David Spiegel has demonstrated that hypnotic focus activates the same brain regions as actual lived experience. You are literally installing the memory of success before it even happens. Do this for 5 minutes before any important event and watch your performance transform. Technique number 3. The Dopamine Spotlight. Your brain runs on dopamine. It's the chemical of motivation, reward, and drive. But most people's dopamine is scattered, chasing outcomes that are weeks or months away. We are going to focus it like a laser. Here's the shift. Instead of rewarding yourself after you complete a big goal, you are going to reward yourself for the effort itself. The moment you finish a difficult task, close your eyes, take one deep breath, and say to yourself, "This is the feeling of progress. This is what winning feels like." You are training your brain to associate dopamine with hard work itself, not just the outcome. This creates a self-perpetuating cycle of motivation. The work becomes the reward. This is the secret to consistency that almost no one talks about. 3 techniques, simple, powerful, science-backed. The future self-anchor, the mental rehearsal loop, the dopamine spotlight. This is neurohypnosis in action. This is not about thinking positive. It is about actively building the brain you want. It's about taking full control of your own neuroplasticity. If you want to go deeper, come visit at thehypnoacademy.com. But start with these 3. Use them every single day for the next 7 days and watch what happens. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tools to master your mind. I am Martin Castor, and I'll see you in the next one.